Hi friends, I'm here to explain about database experiment number 7, triggers. So the first question is, create a trigger to prevent the same car booked by customer at the same date. The first question is, create a trigger. To create a trigger, create or replace trigger name. We mentioned that we want to create a trigger before or after the query. Here we are going to create a trigger before the query. So create or replace trigger name is tr1 before insert and car booking for each row. For each row the car booking is inserted when new dot booking date is equal to old dot booking date and new dot custody is equal to old dot custody. Then begin dbms output dot put line car already booked. In this program we are going to print that car is already booked. So we print that car already booked. Here to prevent the same car book, we use this query by using the trigger. Then end. By giving an end, the trigger is ended. Then the trigger is created. Then the second question is, raise application error if the customer is not the member. If the customer is not the member, we have to create an error. So we create a trigger by using the keyword create or replace trigger tr1 before insert or updating on car booking for each row when new dot custody is less than greater than old dot custody. Begin raise application error. Raise application error is a keyword to create an application error. We are not a member dot kindly get access from admin. So we are not able to access because we are not the member of that booking. Then end. Then the trigger is created. Then the third question is, create a trigger to update the price details whenever a new car is added. Here we are going to create a trigger by using create or replace trigger tr2 after we are going to create a trigger after the query. So insert on car details for each row. Begin. Create a trigger to update the price details where new car is added. Insert into price details car id, car type, base price per day, values, new dot car id, new dot car type, new dot base price per day. Then end. So we are going to insert car id, car type, base price per day. We are updated these details into new versions, new things. So these types are updated into these types by using an insert query, by using a trigger. Then the fourth question is, create a trigger to delete the records in the details table. The corresponding row has to be removed from the price table. Create a replace trigger tr5 after delete and car details. After the trigger is created, the car details are deleted for each row. Begin. So delete from price details where car id is equal to old dot car id. Then print entry deleted. We are going to delete the record in the car details where the corresponding row has been removed from the price table. The corresponding row has been removed means we are going to delete the record. So using the trigger we deleted the record. And the fifth question is, create a trigger that will inform you to update the price at the last day of the month. So we are going to create a trigger tr7 before update and price details. We are going to update the price details at the last day of the month. So when this date is equal to last date, we are going to update that. So for each row, when this date is equal to last date of this date, begin dbms update the price table. Then end. Then the trigger is created. Then the price is updated at the last day of the month. Then the next question is, create a trigger that will display the number of booking when bookings are added. So create a replace trigger 8 After insert on car booking for each row, declare. We are going to declare a number of length 2 and begin. Select count star into num from car booking. So we are going to display the number of bookings by using count star. So we print the num, then end. By using the triggers, we display the number of bookings when bookings are added. Then disable the above created table. So alter trigger TR8 disable. So the alter trigger is used to disable the above created trigger. So trigger altered, then the disable the above created trigger is disabled by using the alter trigger disable command. Then the 8th question is drop the last trigger created. So drop trigger TR8. So the TR8 trigger is dropped using the drop command in the trigger. Then the 8th question is display the count of each car being booked. So display the count of each car being booked. So the car has been counted when the car is booked, when the car is booking. So create or replace trigger TR9 after insert and car booking. For each row, declare. We are going to declare two variables, num and id with length 2 and 3. Begin. Select car id, count star into id, num from car booking, group by car id. So here we display the count of each car. So count star into car id and num from car booking table, group by car id. Each car is counted by using the car id of the car. So print the number, then end. Then the trigger is created. That's all.